Hey YouTube, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool instrument right here, and basically what this is a dumb piano, or I believe they can also call it this as well. And for the one that we got right here is from a brand called Donner. And for this brand, they actually make a lot of different type of musical instruments. So if you've seen my previous video, I actually reviewed a few other products from this brand, such as flutes, acoustic guitars, ukulele, and the list goes on. But this time we do have another one, so I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. So once you guys open up, inside this little case, let's take it out. So for the case, they do have the brand logo. We do have the zipper inside. The case that's on here is like a hard shell case. Right here we do have a strap option for you to put your wrist on here or something if you guys do want to. But once you guys do open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So they do provide guys a few stuff inside. Let's take it all out. So right here they do provide guys instruction to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And they also provide guys the chords in the back if you guys want to learn how to play it. And right here they provide guys some accessories if you guys do need to use it. Right here they do provide guys like a tuning hammer that you can use to tune the product. And then last but not least, we do have the actual product here. So let's take out the wrapper. Here is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys notice, for the one that we got right here, it has 17 different keys. They also have this available in a 10 key option as well. But I end up getting this one right here. So you can see the material that they use on here definitely looks and feels like a high quality wood if it's in here. And then for this part right here, it's definitely pretty high quality as well. But the way how you use it is actually very simple. You basically want to go like this. So you basically use like your finger or thumb to kind of hit it. If you guys use the thumb, it's probably easier. You can hear how beautiful it sounds when you guys do use it. Obviously, if you guys are like me who never used one of these before, it'll definitely take some time for you guys to learn how to play it. If you see the way how to design the product definitely looks and feels pretty nice, especially for this part right here and this part. So that way when you guys are putting your thumb right here to play, it actually feels pretty comfortable. And inside the instruction manual, they do provide some songs in play. So let me actually try to play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Alright, so let's try it out. Alright, so very easy and very simple to play if you guys just follow instruction. And if you guys look carefully on here, they do have like the chords or the notes that's on here, so that way you know which one you guys are playing. And if you guys are curious about how to actually tune the product, it's actually pretty simple. You basically want to hit on top like this, or you can go like this to kind of push it up and down, so that way you can tune the actual product based on your own preference. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality thumb piano that has a similar design as this one right here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you really do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.